Replacing your windows is an important step toward improving your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appearance. If you're considering slider window replacement, understanding the process can help you feel more confident and prepared. For homeowners in Layton, knowing what to expect ensures a smoother experience from start to finish. The process typically begins with an initial consultation. During this stage, a professional will assess your current windows, discuss your needs, and help you choose the right slider window style for your home. This is your opportunity to ask questions, explore design options, and learn about features such as energy efficiency, materials, and finishes. Since every home is different, this step helps ensure your new windows are tailored to your specific space. Once you've selected your windows, precise measurements are taken. Accurate measurements are critical for a proper fit, especially because slider windows rely on smooth horizontal movement. Even a small error can affect how well the window operates. Professional installers take detailed measurements to ensure your new windows fit perfectly within the existing openings. After measurements are complete, your windows are ordered and prepared for installation. Depending on customization options, this step may take some time, but it ensures you receive windows that match your preferences and your home's specifications. During this waiting period, your installation team may also schedule a convenient date for the replacement. On installation day, the process begins with removing your old windows. Installers carefully take out the existing frames and components while minimizing disruption to your home. They also inspect the surrounding area to check for any damage or structural issues that may need attention before the new windows are installed. Addressing these issues early helps ensure long-term performance. Next comes the installation of your new slider windows. The new frames are placed into the openings and carefully aligned to ensure they are level and secure. Proper alignment is essential for slider windows, as it allows them to glide smoothly along their tracks. Once positioned, the windows are sealed and insulated to prevent air leaks and drafts. Sealing is one of the most important parts of the process. High-quality materials are used to fill any gaps around the frame, creating a tight barrier against outside air and moisture. In Layton, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, proper sealing helps maintain a consistent indoor climate and improves energy efficiency. After installation, the team will test each window to ensure it operates correctly. Slider windows should open and close smoothly without sticking or resistance. Installers will also check locks and handles to confirm everything functions properly and securely. This step ensures your new windows meet both performance and safety standards. Cleanup is another part of the process you can expect. Professional installers typically remove old materials, debris, and packaging, leaving your home clean and ready to enjoy. They may also provide guidance on how to care for your new windows, including cleaning tips and maintenance recommendations. One of the immediate benefits you'll notice after replacement is improved comfort. Properly installed slider windows help eliminate drafts and reduce temperature fluctuations, making your home more comfortable year-round. You may also notice a quieter indoor environment, as modern windows help block outside noise. Energy efficiency is another major advantage. With better insulation and sealing, your heating and cooling systems won't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy bills over time. This makes slider window replacement a practical investment for homeowners in Layton. Finally, there's the visual improvement. New slider windows offer a clean, modern look that enhances both your interior and exterior spaces. Their large glass panels allow more natural light to enter, creating a brighter and more inviting atmosphere. In the end, slider window replacement is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. By understanding what to expect, from consultation to installation, you can approach your project with confidence and look forward to the many benefits your new windows will bring to your home.